Okay, so I put a little patch in there on the back side. There's a bunch of body fill there. Got that in there. Got the inner rocker panel set up. I just used some pop rivets holding it in place. It ain't pretty, but this is what I'm working with right now. So now I'm just gonna put a few tack welds to hold this in place. Get the little Lincoln 140, and yeah, I'm gonna see how that goes. Okay, so I got the back rust cut out on the back quarter panel, back fender. Got the inner and outer rocker panels welded in there, fastened with pop rivets and some welds. And I got some backing on this here. Now I'm gonna get busy with some body fill. Try and make her look a little pretty, because she ain't pretty right now. So I got the body fill Bondo on there, lots of it. I'm gonna have a lot of sanding to do. While that dries, I'm gonna cut a piece of tin out. I got some back there, some 18 gauge, and I'm just gonna reline the floor. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to find those holes after for the gas pedal. Other than that, it's just gonna be a, well, hopefully a simple layover job. Okay, got the floor panel in, just pop riveted it in there, and that was a bit of a tongue twister. Pop riveted it in there, and yeah, it's sitting in there, so I'm just gonna do some body fill around the edges, make it nice, and then I'm gonna use truck box bed liner, the spray stuff, and kind of build it up a bit and give it some more rigidity, and yeah, and it'll be good for fun. She ain't gonna be a showpiece. So now I'm gonna work on this side here. So we got that back piece, the rocker panel, and the front. The inside rocker panel is good. I'm not gonna mess around with it. Okay, so got the backing on the front panel. Do some body fill there. Replaced the rust on the rocker panel and the back panel. She ain't pretty. She's mean. She's a mean looking unit.